Hello, Saludos in Mexico. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your parts for you and they're ready to be shipped. So this is the spare one. This is my spare for you, one I've made up. Okay, so this one here has had a new laser. It's all been serviced and the cogs are all clean, and you got latest software on the back on there. And yeah, it's all good. So I'll just push play for you, and you can see that one. I'll just turn that up. Yeah, so you can see that all playing. Goes through all the tracks, etc. So you can see that there. So yeah, it's all good. So I'm just going to go up in the tracks. See the track going up there. So you can see that all working as it should be. Okay, so this is the spare one for you. Okay, this is the spare. So that's ready as well. Okay, so that's your spare one there. Okay, so I'll just stop that. Okay, and I'm going to mark that as 1. Okay, so it's marked as 1 for your spare. Okay, that's your spare part. So yeah, that's all working as it should be. So you know, obviously you've got your 6-month warranty on that one as well, on the whole part there. So if anything goes wrong with it in 6 months, you know, we replace it free of charge. Okay, so that's number 1. So thank you very much for that.